Most people dream of becoming financially free, but very few ever learn the real strategies that make it possible. True wealth isn't built by trading endless hours for money. It's built by creating income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. In today's world, smart investing, digital innovation, and strategic opportunities are making it easier than ever to secure your financial future. If you're ready to step beyond traditional thinking and discover practical, proven methods to grow your wealth, you're exactly where you need to be. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because what you'll learn today could completely change the way you see money, success, and your future. Most people will never achieve real wealth in a single generation if their only source of income is earned wages. That's not just a theory. It's a principle shared by Thomas J. Stanley, one of the most influential American authors, lecturers, and researchers of the 20th century. Stanley, who taught at top universities and wrote several best-selling books, built a fortune and influenced generations of millionaires worldwide. His core message was simple. If hard work alone made people rich, then everyone would be wealthy. Instead, he taught that knowledge, skills, and smart strategies, not just working harder, are the real paths to wealth. Hard work without financial wisdom only creates dependence on active income, which can disappear in a blink. Stanley's wealth philosophy was all about working smart and creating passive income streams with minimal effort. Luckily, you don't have to dig through all his books. I've broken down his most powerful ideas for you right here. One of the easiest and most accessible paths to wealth today is through digital products. In the age of the internet, it's simply smart to tap into the massive global marketplace that's online 24/7. Stanley himself made a fortune from selling books, courses, and lectures online. Digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses, stock photos, music, apps, and plugins allow you to earn money even while you sleep. Once created and uploaded, a digital product can sell an unlimited number of times without you having to worry about warehouses or shipping. Getting started is simple. Choose a niche you know well, see what's trending, create a high-quality product, and then market it through social media, blogs, or even YouTube. The key is creating something valuable, packaging it well, and consistently promoting it. While it's not 100% hands-off, Stanley called it minimal ongoing involvement, a small effort that brings continuous rewards. Creating a digital product might seem intimidating at first, but remember, you don't have to be an expert. You just have to offer value. Even a simple ebook based on your hobbies or a beginner course in a skill you know can sell well if packaged correctly. The internet rewards creativity, consistency, and problem-solving more than anything else. You don't need fancy equipment or a big budget to start. You just need the will to create and the patience to improve over time. Every successful online entrepreneur started with just an idea and the courage to put it out into the world. Digital products don't just bring income, they build authority, reputation, and new opportunities you never imagined. Real estate is another powerful wealth-building tool, but not in the traditional capital-heavy sense. While buying property can be expensive, there's an easier way for beginners to enter real estate investing through REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to buy shares in professionally managed real estate projects like office buildings, malls, and apartments, all without needing massive capital. These trusts pay out at least 90% of their income as dividends, offering investors a steady stream of passive income. Getting started is easy. Research a reliable REIT, invest a small amount, and start earning without the hassles of property management. However, you must be cautious where you invest. Always study the market carefully. Poor investment choices, like those seen during China's real estate bubble, can lead to losses. REITs offer flexibility, liquidity, and diversification, making them a smart choice for anyone who wants a taste of real estate profits without the heavy lifting. The beauty of REITs is that you're investing alongside big players, institutions, and funds who already have the expertise to manage properties at scale. You're essentially getting access to high-quality assets that would normally be out of reach for individuals. Plus, because REITs are publicly traded, you can easily buy or sell your shares through regular stock exchanges. This liquidity gives you freedom that traditional real estate investments simply can't offer. Even better, with regular dividend payouts, you start seeing the benefits almost immediately without the need to wait years like typical real estate deals. Crowdfunding is another modern opportunity to earn passive income with minimal starting capital. Through crowdfunding platforms, you can invest small amounts into promising startups, tech companies, or social projects. If these ventures succeed, you earn returns, sometimes in the form of dividends, shares, or profit splits. It's a unique way to support innovative ideas and potentially make impressive gains. However, crowdfunding carries risks. Many startups fail, and investments can be lost without any insurance protection. Liquidity can also be a challenge. You can't always cash out quickly if you need money. But for those willing to take calculated risks, crowdfunding can be a rewarding way to grow wealth and support projects that align with your values. Crowdfunding isn't just about chasing profits. It's about believing in ideas and being part of something bigger. Imagine supporting a green tech startup or an innovative medical project and seeing it succeed beyond expectations. You don't just earn money, you help shape the future. With the right mindset, crowdfunding combines purpose and profit, offering emotional as well as financial returns. Always spread your investments across multiple projects to minimize risk and increase your chances of backing a winner. Another powerful and beginner-friendly method to start building wealth is dividend stock investing. Instead of lending your money out, you invest it in strong, stable companies that share a portion of their profits with you every quarter, simply for being a shareholder. These regular payouts, called dividends, are like receiving thank you checks for trusting a company with your money. Dividend investing is one of the oldest and most proven ways to build consistent passive income over time. Starting is simple. Look for companies with a long history of paying and increasing their dividends. Big names like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, or Procter & Gamble have been rewarding their investors for decades, no matter what the economy is doing. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Many investment platforms allow you to buy fractional shares, letting you invest with as little as $10 or $20. Over time, as you reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, your income compounds, meaning your money earns even more money without extra. The beauty of dividend stocks is that they combine two sources of growth: price appreciation and regular cash payouts. Some companies even increase their dividend payouts every year, helping your income keep pace with inflation. Of course, it's important to research carefully and diversify your investments across several industries to manage risk. But if you stay consistent, dividend investing can create a snowball effect where a modest investment today can turn into hundreds or thousands of dollars in steady income every month in the future. It's slow, steady, and incredibly powerful. A perfect example of building wealth without having to constantly trade time for money. The beautiful truth is that today, you have more ways to build wealth than any generation before you. Thanks to digital tools, global markets, and smarter investment opportunities, starting your journey doesn't require millions. It only requires action. Even a school student with $100 can start building a financial future that leads to true freedom. Thomas Stanley often said he wished he had the opportunities we have today. So why wait? Your future self is counting on the decisions you make today. Start now. Build your wealth. Create the life you dream about. Small, consistent actions taken today can transform your entire destiny. You are much closer to your financial breakthrough than you realize. Every great fortune begins with a small, bold step. Will you take yours today? See you in the next video.